Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, match the music festivals to their states. So Hornbill is with Nagaland, Zero is with Arunachal Pradesh, Escape is with Uttarakhand, Enchanted Valley is with Maharashtra, and Magnetic Fields is with Rajasthan. So the correct option is option C. The next question is, what is Article 35A of the Indian Constitution? So Article 35A is a provision incorporated in the Constitution in 1954, empowering the Jammu and Kashmir legislature to decide who all are permanent residents of the state and confer on them special rights and privileges in public sector jobs, acquisition of property in the state, scholarships, and other aid and welfare. So the correct option is option A, that is an article empowering Jammu and Kashmir state's legislature to define permanent residents. The next question is, match the following Indus Valley sites to the states. So Harappa is Punjab, Lothal, Gujarat, Chanhudaro to Sindh, and Banawali to Haryana. So the correct option is option A. The next question is, which of the following options is the correct list of core industries as defined by IIP? Now IIP is the index of industrial production is an index for India which details out the growth of various sectors in an economy. The industries covered in the index are 8 core industries, namely coal, crude oil, natural gas, refinery products, fertilizers, steel, cement, and electricity. Now IIP is compiled and published monthly by the ISO. So the correct option is option B. The next question is, which of the following is not a landlocked country? Now option A, Kenya, is correct because it has a coastline on the Indian Ocean which contains swarms of East African mangroves. The next question is, which of the following is not a French overseas territory? The correct option is Guam. Now Guam is a US island territory in Micronesia in the Western Pacific. It is distinguished by tropical beaches, Chamorro villages, and ancient lattice stone pillars. Moving on to the next question, which of these have not been included in the Government of India Act 1935? Option A, separation of Burma from India. Option B, detachment of Aden from India to establish it as a crown colony. Option C, splitting of Bihar and Orissa as 2 separate provinces. Option D, separation of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa from India. And option E, separation of Sindh from Bombay Presidency. The correct option is option D. The history of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa stretches back to ancient times. It is now a province of Pakistan in the mountainous Hindu Kush region. It separated from India after partition of India. It was not a provision in the Government of India Act 1935.